YouTube land, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode we're going to take a look at RC cars. If you remember earlier in the year 2019, I bought my first RC car. You know, in the wintertime it's hard to fly drones because of the snow and the cold, so I got into RC cars and this is the car I bought and I still love it. I have it today. I have quite a few RC cars now, and this has been bashed up and repaired many times by me, but I still love it. The great thing I like about it is it only takes one 3-cell 5,000 milliamp battery, so that's not too bad. You know, some cars will take more than one. I have a lot of RC cars that take more than one battery, but they don't go as fast as this one. Replacing this here little pinion gear. Inside there's a little gear that connects to the slipper clutch and goes to the wheels, and if you put this little pinion gear on there, it's got a lot more teeth, it will spin the wheels faster. Now the reason I'm telling you that I can make this go faster is because I just received a car that is supposed to be super fast. Let me show you. Alright, to show you this I have to put this super wide angle because I got to get way back to fit this in. This is called the ARRMA Infraction and it's supposed to go insanely fast. I ordered this back in the month of June 2019 and I finally got it now, so I'm gonna test it out. Now one thing to point out is the Infraction takes two 3-cell 5,000 milliamp batteries, whereas the little Rustler only took one. So that's a 6S versus a 3S. Here's the front of the car, looks pretty sweet. The side, the bottom is a sheet of metal. Take off the top, look at the inners. Here we have inside the car, nice little spoiler on the front to keep the air and keep the whole body low to the ground. Look at that. And then we have our brushless motor here, super powerful, massive ESC fan, all waterproof so that you can drive it in the rain. That massive shocks. Really nice. And for a size comparison, here's the ARRMA and here is my Rustler. Doesn't my Rustler, which used to be so large, look so tiny compared to this vehicle? The little card that comes with the Infraction says if I put two 3S 5,000 milliamp batteries right here in my little Infraction, I can obtain a speed of 60 miles per hour, not kilometers per hour, miles per hour. And if I change the gearing, the little pinion gear, I can get up to 80 miles per hour. That is insane! So here's my Rustler. It's a little dirty. I've taken the motor off so that I can change this here little pinion gear and replace it with a faster one so I can get more speed out of my Rustler. There we go. Make sure you don't lose a little grub screw inside right there. That's the stock gearing, and you can see this one here has more teeth. This is the one I'm replacing the stock with. And I should get more speed out of my little Rustler. I'm going to put the motor back. Due to the change in gearing, there's a chance my ESC here is going to overheat, so I'm going to add this little fan. All right, new gearing in the back, and the fan has been added, so we're all set to go. All right, so we've got the Traxxas Rustler down there, and I'm just going to get it ready. I'll put a battery in, I'll connect it, put the GoPro on it, and we'll do a few speed runs and see how much speed I can get now that I have that extra little pinion gear in there. Let's check it out. First thing we have to do is power on the controller and then power on the car. Our little fan is spinning nicely. You'll see I have a 3-cell 5,000 milliamp battery, and that is what is going to power this baby. Okay, just warming up the tires here. It handles really differently now that I have that different gearing in there. It sounds different too. I don't know if I like that. Whew, it was kind of wobbly there. Coming at me. Turn it around. Coming back at me. Here we go. Oh, try to keep it straight. Full speed. And I better slow it down. There's not enough room here to go full speed. This is no good. And let's bring it back. Slow it down. There we go. Well done. Couldn't get this going at full speed. This whole parking lot is not long enough to do a speed run with these things, which is unfortunate. Let's see how hot this thing is. Woohoo! The motor is, whoa! I could fry an egg on that motor. That is hot. All right, let's shut this one down. All right, next up I've got the Infraction here. Let's take the top off. Now this car can take a 3S battery, 5000 milliamp here, and another 3S battery, 5000 milliamp there, or higher if you wish. So right now I'm just going to take it out just like I did with the Rustler. I'm just going to use one 3S battery. You can see right here it's a 3S battery, and we'll see what speeds we get, because I think there's not enough room here to go fast. Okay, she's all set to go with one battery. This is the inaugural run of the Infraction. So this is the fastest it goes on one 3S battery. That doesn't seem that fast compared to the Rustler, which was just burning up the road here. I guess if you're learning RC cars and getting used to them, putting one 3S battery in is probably pretty good. You can easily control it. The brakes, ooh, I don't like the brakes. I'll have to adjust that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a second battery in here to see if I can get it going a little bit faster, but not full blast because it will go too crazy on me. Two 3S batteries in there. Let's see how it is. There we go. Now it's burning rubber. See if it did anything with the brakes with all that power. All right, got to give it some room to stop. It's going. It's out of range. I have no control, and it's heading to the curb. Oh no, it's heading to the curb. Yikes. Okay, so what I've discovered with the ARRMA is that it can go out of range, and then it doesn't stop. It just rolls like that. So you'll actually roll into something. That's not good. Woo-hoo! It goes fast, but I can't stop it. And there goes the GoPro. Oh, my GoPro's in pieces. There goes my GoPro, smashed all over the place. Here it is. How badly damaged is that thing? Holy cow, look at the front, just scratched straight up. All right, here we have day 2, and I'm out again with the Infraction down there. The Rustler, I've put the Rustler away. Oop, get that sun out of my eyes. The Rustler, I've put the Rustler away because when I was driving it the other day, I did hit the max speed possible. And you notice the tires balloon up and they get really, really pointy. And the more pointy they get, the less traction the Rustler has and it starts to wobble. So I think I hit the max speed I could possibly get with the Rustler. But the Infraction back here, I didn't hit the max speed because two things happened. One is that when I drove up and down here, it would go out of range every now and then. And in one instance, it just went out of range and into the curb. Second thing, I can't go full speed because when I try to go full speed, I have to stop. And it comes with a default setting of brakes set at 33%. So I've set them to 50%. So it should stop a little bit sooner, let me go a little faster, and then I can put the brakes on. So I'm going to try it again today and see how it goes. I doubt if I can get top speed on this thing because of the amount of space I have here. Like, look at around. This is this huge parking lot, and this thing just zooms so fast that, you know, you just can't really get the speed up in here. But I'm going to give it a try. Oh, and I didn't put the pinions gear in here to make it go massively fast because I can't even get it to go massively fast due to the amount of distance I have here in the current out-of-the-box form. But that's what I'm trying to do, so I'm going to give that a shot again right now. Here we go. I'm going to crank it full speed. Here we go. Hopefully it's not aimed at me. Here we go. Full speed down the run. Coming at me. That was coming right at me. That would have hurt. Okay, we won't do full speed again because it's just insane, out of control. I'll lightly put the speed on. Faster, 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 and full. Brakes on. Okay, I'm getting some good runs out of it now. All right, woo, almost hit that car down there. All right, guys, I don't think I can get it to go any faster than that with the amount of track I have here. This thing is way too fast. At least I got the brakes at 50, so that's pretty good. There we go. Let's check the tread on the tires. How are we doing for tire tread? Tire tread, looking good still. Still got some tread on there. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully if I find some other parking lot or some other area where I can take this thing at full speed, I can put the gearing on it and go crazy. But for now, this was just a fun test to see how fast this goes right out of the box. And you also saw the Rustler, the speed, if you take it out of the box and you put the pinion gear on it to make it go even faster. So these are fast RC cars. I'm gonna put links below to where you can find them if you want to get into RC cars. These are two really good ones to have. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one. All right, Andre, what do you think?
I want one.
James, what do you think?
Bit crazy, kind of fast.
Kind of fast.
Woo!